Well, hello, young explorers of mathematics. I'm so glad you're watching this video, which will help you to set up your first Khan Academy account. Khan Academy is a site on the internet which has thousands and thousands of different activities in mathematics and science, history and music, and many, many other things. I hope you explore lots of things when you get into your account. In math this year, I'm going to ask you to do several activities. That could be watching a video, it could be doing some problems, it could be just some practice. And I hope you do some things totally on your own just to practice the skills that we're learning this year. Watch the video carefully, go back and re-look at some things that will help you to understand it further, and good luck setting up your account. Let's do some math. We'll start setting up our Khan Academy account from our math homepage. There's a link on the left-hand side that I'm going to click on, Khan Academy. After I open up the Khan Academy page, to start my new account, I want to click the button that says Start Learning Now. There are several ways to sign up, but the way I would like all of you to sign up is using your email. And what you'll do is you'll enter in this information. I'll do that now. And after I enter in that information, I click Sign Up. And what Khan Academy will send you is this message that you have to open up the email that you entered into the Khan Academy page. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on Open Your Yahoo Email, and there's my message from Khan Academy. So I have to click on it, and this is just a way that they verify that you actually are signing up and you have an email account. So I click on Signing Up, and that'll take me back to a new Khan Academy page, and here's where I create my username and password to log on to my Khan Academy account. So I'm going to enter in a username. What I'd like you to enter in is a username that I'm aware of. So please enter your first name with no space followed by your last name. The password can be anything you set it up to be. So I click Sign Up. And there's my first page for my new account. You'll notice my name up in the right-hand corner. You should notice your name as well. And what you're given is a choice here. Under the math section, you can click on whatever level you'd like to start in. You can always go back and change these. I'm going to click on 8th grade. For those of you who are in algebra, you should click on Algebra 1. And what Khan Academy wants you all to do is start with a short quiz to help them determine just what some of your skills are. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click Start. And again, it's very short. It's just 6 questions. So I'm going to answer these questions, and then we'll move on to the next section. So the first question, if angle AOC is a right angle, okay, let me just stop there. AOC is a right angle. That means that's 90 degrees. And the measure of angle AOB is 69 degrees, as it says. What is the measure of angle BOC? Well, that has to be the difference between 90 and 69, so that'll be an answer of 21 degrees. I click Check Answer. Correct. Good. Next question. What's the product of 98 times 304? Well, that must be 29,792. I'm on a hot streak. Next question. 620 divided by 31. That equals 20. Great. I got that one right as well. Let's see the points. So after taking that short 6-question quiz, they've placed me in a particular level, and I can move on from here. But at this point, I'm going to close this window. And what I want to do next is I want to go to my home screen. Home is in the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to click on that. And where that takes you to is a section where you can define what your coach is. So click on Coaches. And what you're going to do to join the class that you are in is you're going to enter in a code here. And the codes for each of the classes are as follows. So I'm going to type in the code, uppercase E, R, 96FZ, and that's the code for the first period connected math class. I click join the class, and you can see now that your coach is Rob Hetzel, and there's my email address. So this particular student has been entered into the class for Connected Math Period 1. Once you've joined your class, you're basically done with the setup. From this point on, anytime you go on Khan Academy using this account, I can view the activity that you've done, your success, your progress, and from that point, any assignments that we give in class, we can see what kinds of things that you've done on your particular account. That's all there is to it. Let's get to a computer and let's see if we can get your Khan Academy account set up.